So I watched the Osiris Rex mission from day one until it returned. I was sitting there just terrified because the parachute wasn't opening. How many of you were doing that? Huh? You're like, oh shit, here we go again, right? I'm looking at the collection capsule and the amount of material they brought back. After all that time, billions of dollars, all the years we waited, what did we get back? 1/300th of the capacity of the container. I can tell you right now, I could have sent a fucking spaceship there with a goddamn Dyson vacuum cleaner and got a better sample. Who designed this? This looks like some over-engineered piece of shit that they never thought about it. They went, when they touched down and the thing was loosely compacted, they were like, oh my. What? Really? A Dyson vacuum cleaner could have done better, okay? So next time, let's just send a Dyson vacuum cleaner, or even the cheapest piece of shit vacuum cleaner from Amazon.com could have collected more samples than we got from Osiris Rex. That was crappy engineering. There was no foresight put into this whatsoever. I don't know who over-engineered this piece of shit, okay? But what we got back for me, they were all like, oh, look, we got back 19 grams or whatever the hell it was. I mean, it's ludicrous, okay? It looks empty to me. What ended up in there looked like an accident. Wow. No, go and look at the mechanism and you'll see that it was an over-engineered turd, okay, that was incapable of being adapted to any other sort of collection sample other than what some NASA engineer had in his mind. Well, what happens if it's not solid? What happens if it's 3 foot, thick of like, moon regolith? What if we land on something that's super soft? Maybe we can just touch down really easy and suck some samples in. No, let's have a collision and come back with almost nothing in the collection chamber. Very, very sad. This is, NASA. This is like your super heavy piece of crap that's now been canceled. Okay? I took a look inside that capsule and it looked like something from the 1960s. I swear to God. So NASA, stop wasting my money. Okay? You are part and parcel of this whole fucking cover-up that has to do with the, let's say, education of the American people on the UFO phenomenon. Okay, we know how much data you have. Only stupid people think, well, we don't know anything. They're just colored lights in the sky. Sad. Okay, you're wasting my fucking taxpayer money. Stop doing it. Okay, hire someone else to do your engineering, because this ridiculous sample that you brought back, okay, that you brag about, look how much we got. I'm looking at the container right now and it looks empty. Empty, okay? A Dyson vacuum cleaner could have retrieved a better sample than what you did with your over-engineered turd. Kind of like your giant heavy lift turd, okay? That cost 10 times as much as it should have and still hasn't accomplished anything. Wow. I used to be a fan of NASA 20 years ago, and every year that goes by, I'm less and less a fan.